The rain had stopped, leaving only the scent of damp earth and a cool breeze wafting through the streets. Mai and Min walked out of the coffee shop, the last drops of water still clinging to the treetops falling onto their shoulders. The two walked slowly, sharing an umbrella, the street lights reflecting on the puddles like thousands of tiny mirrors. Mai smiled softly when she felt her breath blend into the mist, while Min remained silent, looking at her with gentle, warm eyes. At that moment, there was no need to say anything more. Everything, from the rain, the road, to the parallel footsteps, seemed to be telling a gentle story for them, that sometimes, the most beautiful things come after the rain stops.